All right. Good morning, everybody. I am just trying to get some stuff set up, so I'll be right back. But this is Nasdaq YMES. We'll talk about this in just a second. All right, good morning, everybody. Oh, my camera is not on. All right, sorry. I know it is late. Honestly, I'm not sorry. Good morning. Let's jump in. Let's do this. Honestly, I don't have much for today. Can you guys hear me? Okay, I don't have much for today. So let's take out all of our drawings and stuff. Let's take a look real quick. Oh, before we do that, before we do that, guys, boom. Here we go. Verse of the day comes from James 5:13. Is anyone among you in trouble? Let them pray. Is anyone happy? Let them sing songs of praise. Sick. Thanks, James. Back to the program. Um, so I am going to start. I say start, but really, so I have this little old notebook here that I just pulled out. And what I'm going to do is, honestly, I'm just going to start writing stuff down. And my goal with this is to sort of allow me the give me the ability to sort of reflect on how I train, why I basically, yeah, like literally how I'm feeling and stuff. So what I see, um, and if there's anything else that needs to be considered while I'm trading. So today is September 12th. Oh, we had news at 8:30, right? Let's look. Yeah, 8:30 news. 8:30 we had PPI, core PPI, initial claims, continuing claims. Do we have any big what else? The 12th, okay. Kroger, okay. Adobe after close. That'll be interesting. What did the Kroger do? Oh, they missed. They beat EPS. Not yeah, okay. Missed earnings. I mean, yeah, 0.9, like, yeah, 0.7, so point something. They missed earnings. um, hmm, okay. Yeah, today is the 12th, yeah. Sick. Tomorrow we have no earnings or anything like that. We have, or sorry, no news and no big earnings. So we're also consolidating today. There's a lot of consolidation happening up here. We had this. Okay, you guys, this was a wild rip to the upside. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I I was I was I was a little bit shocked here, right? I was expecting. I knew. I didn't know, actually. Forgive me. I didn't know. I was expecting price to come and take this right here, right? This. I was expecting price to come and take this, right? When we got in here, I was like, all right, dude, this thing's about to just go. This is what I was looking at. And like, clearly this invalidated a continuation to the downside, right? I was looking at this as a market maker model, right? Shoot. I was looking at it like this market maker model to the downside, right? We had Boom. Structure shift there. I was looking for I was literally looking for this pullback into this gap, which was a May 22nd gap, right? To go lower and lower and then whatever. And then we can, start to look for a market maker model to take us back up. This to me would have been awesome. It didn't happen. I don't know, like this is a crazy move. So where are we now? Let's go to the daily. We go to the daily for a second. Let's get rid of a bunch of these things here. Here's the daily. We are in a daily fair value gap here from here to here. Okay. We're also in a let's see, where are we? I'm just looking. There's sort of this BPR here, right? Like an overlap of this and this fair value gap. This is sort of an inverted BPR. I would be interested to see how price reacts to this. This is on the 3-day. Look at the 7. I'm gonna sneeze. Dang. All right, I muted that thing so quick. All right, let's keep going. Weekly. Let's go to the weekly. 7 days. No, weekly. 5 days. Okay, we are. Looks like we're trading inside of this sort of inverted. I just need to make sure this is it. This is oh, I guess that was not it. All right, whatever. Inverted nope. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm trying to figure this out here. I don't know. I don't know that we would go any higher. And I say that I'm over here trying a trend line. I'm a trend line trader. Oh gosh. Honestly though, these trend lines, because I've started like this, it helps me. It does, right? It's one of these things where you start with something and that's how you learn it. So it almost becomes imprinted in you in how you and how you approach price. So a trend line literally just tells me, hey, this is where, prices typically reversed from or pivoted. So we see price approaching this sort of pivot area. And it just allows me to say, all right, cool. Do we have anything else around this area that could give us more confidence that we do want to pivot, right? For example, what do we have here? We have this gap here. We have this right here. So we had an oh, what does it say? Let's get rid of this. What was this? Oh, this was a volume imbalance sort of thing that I was looking at. I am going to keep this gap here. That was clearly an important place for price, so it'll stay. Let's get rid of this. I'm gonna get rid of this. So here's an inverted fair value gap here. This is an inverted daily. Here's a this is yeah, an opening gap here. Is that an opening gap? This has to be a daily. Okay, there's a daily, but it's up there. There it is. There's another one here. Yeah. So we are inside this opening gap. All right, from here to here. That's the new day opening gap there. It is also, would that be, I think this is part of a, yeah. So I would use this as a unicorn baby. Opening gap in a fair value gap here, in an inverted fair value gap. Like this is a great place for price to probably reverse, right? Okay, here's another thing, guys, and I'm still learning. Like all of this stuff, I'm just learning. And my goal is to learn. Hey, buddy, good morning. Right? My goal is to learn. So I like where we're at now. I'm going to be looking for a. Why are you here, bro? Why are you here? What is this? GC? Oh, Lord. All right. Way to go, gold. Killing it. Killing it for sure. Nice, nice, nice gold. Look at this. Dang, gold. Let's go. I think gold's about to just rip. For real. Like, look at what. This is what gold does. Like, once it goes, it goes. It's kind of stupid. Yeah, all-time highs at this point. Anyways, we're not looking at gold right now. Although this would be a great place to look for something, right? This high. It's like, all right, well, what do we want to do? What do we want to do? See, what phase are we in? Sorry, guys. I'm like literally, I just stopped everything and went for go for gold. All right. Yeah, let's get out of here. This is where we're at now. Okay. All right. I haven't even wrote anything down on this journal. Maybe. Oh. Let's do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. We're gonna go with today, September 12th. Mm. Right now, not feeling it. TBH, TBH. Not, not feeling it. Yeah, this was crazy. This was crazy here. This whole run has been crazy, right? Like this is 23 right here. This is 23. This is 32. And here's our 50. So these are areas we could look to possibly pull back into before going higher. 23%, it's like right at this wick. I don't see us. If we're gonna go here, at that point we might just tap into this area. Let's see, what do we have? Yeah, see, we have price. Price is reacting a lot to sort of right here. All right, so what do we have here? Yeah, I don't know. So, I mean, it's not perfect for value gap, but whatever, right? Yeah, get rid of this. I'm also not trying to draw up my charts so much that I'm just looking at price right now. That's all I'm doing. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if we go for these highs here. Remember these highs that we were trying to take for a while? Who would not be surprised if we go for those highs? Like, just boom, done, KO'd. What the hell did I get myself into? What is this? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll take it. Whatever this is. Bro, what? Bro, I'm getting these ads for um for the debate of like just trying to make each other look dirty, you know? Whatever. I don't care. Um yeah, I honestly I have no clue how we got into this trade. Like absolutely no clue. Um how the frick did this happen? Like this is what scares me about like futures sometimes. It's like you'll have unless you know, like you monitor one asset at a time and you can cancel your trades. There's times where I won't see my stop loss, right? So like I'll add it like this. Let's set one stop here, like right here, right? I'll add it like that, and if I close this one stays, and then later if price goes back and touches and takes it, then it's it's part of your it's part of it's part of that order. Unless you do like a create new order, then this um once this touches this, all of these close, which is super weird, right? But whatever. All right, so we're in gold. Let's just whatever. Clearly, NQ is doing absolutely nothing. It's 9:20. We've got about 10 minutes till market open. Um, MNQ. Yeah, it looks like. Let's take a look at this. What do we have? Okay, we have. Do we have? Oh, here we go. SMT to go lower at this point. Honestly, I would be okay with this SMT here. Like trying to find an entry from here to here. Yeah, we have this SMT right here. Right, you can see that SMT is right here. So I would be okay looking for an entry at this point, honestly. Um, where would I want to see that entry? Let's see. Let's figure this out real quick. Or sorry, where would I want to see price go to? Yeah, not far. Not far at all. Right? I don't think price is really has to go much of like anywhere. We could try to get sort of a small like into this, which this was a place where we saw price reacting to a lot, and it's also around before. I think this is 23% of that move. So I mean, right now I'm looking at price, right, and I'm looking, okay, is there anywhere for price to go? There's a tiny fair value gap here, like, or sorry, this, but there's still a small little space for us to fill here. I don't think we'll come back to this. So I would honestly be okay taking it right here. Something like this, right? But we'll see. And we have this. What do we do? Oh, SMT. Here is a hmm. I mean, we're consolidating for the most part. Just consolidating here. I'm gonna take an entry. It would be here, but Yeah, I don't know. I want to see a little bit more structure. So here's where I'm like, okay, do we want to see a continuation? Do we want to see a continuation, or what do we want to do? So yeah, there's nothing here. Like there's the only thing that I see is that SMT. And honestly, like I would be okay with just giving this a shot with a small contract. Oh shoot, okay. I can only do single. That's fine. I think that's better. Sell this. Yeah, we'll do this. I don't think. I mean, I think at this point, the only thing we have is this SMT for a sort of small move to the downside. It can't be. It cannot be anything big, right? So I would like to see a retracement. I really would. Uh, for us to continue higher, right? We'll see. We shall see. So I've been sort of looking at quarterly theory, right? And quarterly theory. So you could, yeah, I have the weekly and I have, inside of the day. So meaning within each quarter, right, if we go from here, this is, guys, this is not the exact quarter. I'm just, I'm just letting you know what I see, okay, what I understand. To, oh shoot, oh shoot, boom, and boom. So I know there's a lot of drawings. I know. I'll get rid of this. Get rid of this. I'll get rid of this. I'll get rid of this. I'll get rid of this and this. Okay. So now we know. So if we look at it like this, right? This is on the week. These are the quarters of the week, right? And I would say clearly this is our expansion quarter, right, of the week. And then Friday can be continuation or reversal. So I don't think that will continue. I think we'll reverse from this point, at, at least to rebalance this, right? It doesn't even have to be all the way. It can rebalance right here. So anyways, basically, quarterly theory says, you divide the weeks into quarters. You divide the days into quarters. You divide the quarters into quarter. Like, it's just fractal, and basically there could be a couple of things. So there could be x. Where is here? So you can have x, right? You can have a. You can have a m, right? Or you can have d. Makes sense. So basically, this is just saying, like, or it could be, or like this. So basically, quarterly theory says that we can start out with x or a, right, on the quarter, meaning a is accumulation, m is manipulation, d is distribution, and x is going to be um, either continuation or reversal, right? So this is what we can expect. Like, it doesn't have to happen, but we can expect something like this, right? So let's just take a look at these quarters for a minute. So what do we see here? Is it continuation or reversal, or is this an accumulation? And honestly, this looks like a reversal to me, right? Because we have this reversal. So maybe if we start here, right, with a reversal, then we can go, okay, we have a reversal, right? That's, so we start with x. So then the next thing we can expect is accumulation, right? We accumulate to this, right? This accumulation. Then we manipulate, right? Manipulate above, manipulate below, and then distribution. So, but distribution also happened in this leg, and this is why it's not perfect, is you have distribution here, but it didn't happen inside of this leg, right? It happened here with D. So maybe, is this AMDX, right? Distribute. So this is a clear distribution. Manipulation, is this our manipulation move? Could be, right? We manipulate above this, but you see what I mean? Like, this isn't perfect. Manipulation is here and here to go higher, but it's also distribution. But what can we expect? We can expect either a continuation here, right, or a reversal. So this is where I'm like, okay, now we watch price and we look for both. Is there a market maker model or something that tells us, hey, we're going to continue higher, right? Even if we're like, we were going lower right now, we could continue higher once we hit some of these fair value gaps, right? 50% of that move is right here. So anyways, that is quarterly theory in short. If we take these, all right, let's just take these into here. Let's just take these here for a moment. So then this is our quarterly theory for, like, on a daily, right? This is our days. Or sorry, inside of the day, we have this. Okay, this is where we're currently at right now. Okay, right here. So do we have A or X. Do we have, what is this? Oh, psych. There, right? So what do we have? Do we have accumulation or, so it said accumulation, manipulation, distribution, continuation, or reversal, right? Right here. This to me, and this is where we kind of start to figure out, okay, what do we see here, right? Let me move these above so we can see them a little bit better. Okay, what do we have? Oh, fudge, dude, come on. Get lower right there. Yeah, get low. Whatever. Even if you can't see them, whatever. Do we have, what is this? Right? Is this X, right? We know that this is distribution. So if this is distribution, right? Clear, it's a clear distribution. We can expect what? X, right? So either a continuation and this, right? Or a so this whole day, or yeah, sort of day, could be a either a continuation or a reversal, right? But inside of this day, inside of X, okay, I hope this is making sense, guys. Like, I'm still trying to understand this, right? But so this, we are inside of an X quarter. Okay, this whole quarter technically is an X quarter, okay? Because we had D quarter here, right? Remember this was our D quarter? Remember this? This was our D quarter. So we can expect X, right? Because this day was sort of a manipulation, but distribution, clear distribution right here. D, boom. This is X. Make sense? So quarterly theory, we can expect a reversal from here, right? Because we are in a high time frame POI, right? But we can also expect a continuation. And a continuation, it's literally just a sort of, the way I want to see this continue is to go lower, right? Reverse to go lower before continuing higher. I hope that makes sense. Right, this is all of yesterday's open into today, and then oh my gosh. Okay, there's a lot there. Okay, let me turn a bunch of this stuff off. Okay, so we have labels. Yeah, we'll do labels. So now we have, okay, we know we're in X. We are in a, we said this was a accumulation, right? So A, M, D. So are we going to be in distribution for this reversal or continuation move here? So we can expect that to happen around this area, right? Some sort of distribution, whether that's to the upside a little bit or distribute lower, right? So we'll see. Now, So here's another thing, right? We have a true open, which is just 730. So 730, and if we're looking to go short, right, on this reversal, then we'll look at true open and we say, all right, well, for 730 true open, if I'm looking to go lower, I want to buy above, right? Because I want to see us manipulate above to go lower. And we also have an SMT here, right? On this, this is the same as a 5 minute, guys. I'm on the 6 minute. We have an SMT between ES and NQ right here on a high time frame, right? ES tapped into this new weekly opening gap. So I hope that makes sense. So New York Open, I want price to be up here above to go short. Or if we're gonna go long, if you're like, you know what, this is I wanna buy it here to go long. And it's just figuring out, okay, where do you like where's price wanting to go, right? This could very well be our manipulation move right here. Boom, to go higher. But right now, the only thing that I see is SM. Yeah, I mean, it's only SMT right now. So this is why I'm okay with, okay, I would get out here because then at that point, it doesn't, yeah, I don't see us doing much. And we also had this big move, right? Like we had this big move. So all of this can be just, yeah, it's not going to be, it's not going to be super clean either. But quarterly theory is just that, right? It's just sort of not anticipating, but uh, seeing a seeing how price works and just trying to follow its swings and stuff like that, if that makes any sense. So now we know this is an X, right? We said this was a D, right? So DX, right? What can we expect on Thursday? Accumulation, right? So accumulate. And then Friday, manipulate, right? Makes sense? So that's how I'm looking at it. I'm just, again, I'm still trying to understand it. It makes sense. It really does. Um, I do like this a lot. That's it. That is it. Okay, so we have an SMT here, SMT low, and this is actually, I think, on a higher time frame, guys. So yeah, it's a pretty nice SMT. Dang, okay. All right, we have sort of conflicting SMTs, but we'll see. Yeah, CES has not broken below this, NQ has. So this yeah, no direction here. No direction here. Oh, here we go. It looks like we could be taking this out. Anyways, I hope this quarterly theory made sense. Yeah, so I'm not expecting much today either. Just this was a wild ride yesterday, right? Even on once it's Tuesday, we had this boom, like all of this, just it was kind of wild, right? This was wild. This was insane. I mean, I don't know. It's there's something about me that I don't trust this, right? I really don't trust this. Um, especially when I don't know. For some reason, to me, going long is one of those things that like um for me, I found it so much harder. It's so much harder for price to go above, right? Whereas when you see, like, look how fast just the downside happens, right? I feel like the downside always happens so fast, right? But then look, you have like these moves where I'm like, I don't trust this. It's so slow to the upside, right? And then like all the down moves are just extremely fast. This was nice, like, but then again, I just don't trust. And I think I just need to learn how to trust going higher. But I just don't. I just don't. So does that make sense though? The AMDX and XAMD and why we're here. Um, still trying to figure this out. Okay, I'm not. Okay, so YM has just taken this low. ES has taken this low. NQ has not. Let's see if we can mark out some of our. If this is okay, let's just see what we said we think it was. So if this is it, okay, this is accumulation, right? Manipulation, distribution. I think okay, yes, we are in a sort of continuation slash reversal move, but inside of this move, what do we see? This, I would say this is accumulation, right? So I'm gonna go with A. Accumulation, manipulation, right? Is this manipulation? Do we manipulate here? We have an SMT here. I would say yeah. This is a out of manipulation, and what is it? Accumulation. This is a better manipulation. Distribution could be distribution, right, to the next PD array, and then either continuation or reversal. So, and here's the thing: I don't think you need to follow this pattern all the time, right? AMDX. It could be XAMD. Maybe distribution, overlaps, or continuation overlaps to the next um quarter for the next day. But you just like figure out, okay, what do I want? Where does it want to go? What's the probability of that and stuff like that? So we'll see. All right, we're gonna watch price. I'll be right back, guys. All right, I'm here. We're doing the thing. Yeah, prices sucks today, guys. Okay, guys. Sorry, I'm just sending a. Okay, boom, email sent. Perfect. All right, what are we doing here? Oh, okay. So, Chris, do you understand? Does this make sense? Does this AMDX thing make sense? The quarterly theory? I'm still trying to. I'm like not trying to figure out. I'm trying to continue to just back test it and study it and see how it operates. But if it makes sense, dude, let me know because this is one of those things. Oh my Lanta, hold on, guys. All right. Yeah, AMDX, right? So you have all of these right here. Nope, I don't like that. Okay, back to our colors. Um, and you can see that like on the weekly or the monthly, right? Let's go here. Let's get rid of that. So let's no, not the month. Let's go to the daily. So on the daily, right? We can cut these into quarters. Where's this thing? Let's look at the yearly and monthly. Yes. Boom. So then here's our quarters, right? So then we have a quarter from here to here. Then we have this one from here to here, right? This could be sort of a maybe continuation, right? This is from here to here. Hmm. AMD, maybe continuation X, right? Yeah, I don't know. I'm still again. I'm just trying to see how this actually plays into how I'm trading, and typically I'm not trading on a higher time frame anyways. Wow, this is a jumbo mess. Let me get rid of all of this. Okay. Yeah. Okay, here's now we're half. Yeah, we traded halfway. We could go higher from here for a continuation, right? So this could be some sort of our manipulation move, right? We're below our true open. So remember, we said if we are below true open, which is 7:30 for New York AM, which is where we're at now, and we are in a, we said we were in a manipulation, right? Or distribution move. I mean, it could be, this could be our manipulation, our X, right? Or sorry, uh, reversal, reversal or distribution. I should have kept those up there. This is this is distribution. So then we can expect X, right? AMD X. So X could be continuation, right? Or reversal. So we are in sort of an X for the day. But on the, like for the full days would be an X in the quarterly theory, according to quarterly theory. But what about inside of the day? These are 4 quarters in the day. The first quarter was what? This is, the first quarter is from here to here. Something like this. Doesn't have to be perfect, but it's manipulation, distribution. So this is A, all right? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and then what? Either continuation or reversal, right? So we are in a distribution leg inside of the day, and then we move into an X inside of the day, which would be either continuation or reversal. Make sense? AMDX or XAMD inside of an X. I don't know if that makes sense. See, these don't line up right, but you get the point, right? Uh, D, so yeah, D A M D X A M A M D X A M D X. We're in, yeah. I mean, I'm just repeating myself at this point, so I think you get it. So, what do I like? Honestly, what I expect this to, at this point. At this point, we've already hit a fair value gap, right? Which is honestly all I need to see in order to continue higher, right? Like we don't need to see anything below. Like ideally, I'd love to hit this right here, this one. But I think this was a 28% retracement here. Oh no, no, 23. Yeah, even 23 is right here, right in this fair value gap here. That's 23. Do we have to go there? No. Would I like for price to go there? Yeah. Right. Halfway of that fair value gap is right there. I would expect for us to, if we're gonna go like any higher, at least retrace to that first right here, 23% of this move. Does again, it doesn't have to, but this is a big move. And it could continue higher. It could just hold here and continue and rip higher. So like you see we had this a big move. This actually, yeah, see we get 38%, not at the 50, and then we continue higher. This one too, right? We get sort of this 38% and continue higher. Like that would just make a little bit more sense for us to go higher. Now we could go higher, right? We could continue higher and then do a larger retracement to the downside. But if I'm, yeah, if I'm being honest, like I think this was such a strong move. If we continue seeing this today, like it could just be one of these grind ups, right? Well, even here, like, I don't know. See, 38%. I'm not really feeling it today. Yeah. Oh, man. Yeah. All right. So while we do this, I think let me get um let me get rid of this. Quarterly cycles. Let's look at these for a minute. And these are the cycles for the quarter, right? So this is the same thing down here. It's just in boxes, so you can see them a little bit better. And you can determine, okay, well, what is this box? Okay. And these are on the daily. So again, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, right? And then X, either a continuation or a reversal, right? Is this what this looks like? We said distribution here, right? Distribution and then X, AMDX, yeah. Where are we here? I think we're gonna have an SMT. We get stopped out, we get an SMT. Or below. So midnight open right now is sort of holding price lower, right? If we look at it, we haven't been able to really break through here. Now this could be the one that does, and like we would have to break above all of this nonsense here, right? But I don't know. I do not know if we will. So I'm just watching. And yeah, I mean, I'd be okay with just getting stopped out here. I was, yeah, there's enough room for me to let price do its thing and get down to where we needed to be, and it didn't, which is fine. There's even even some of the news didn't do too much. They happened at 8:30, right around here. So this candle here, there wasn't too much. I know this is a mess right now. Let me get and take this off. All right. Yeah, it looks like we're about to get stopped out here, which is fine. Let's see if we can change some of these things because I want to see this, but I want to look at it in just I don't want to see these little boxes here. These micro. Oh, it's these, isn't it? No, it's not. Okay. Oh, it's these. Yeah, here we go. So this is, yeah, this is better. This is one of these moves that I'm like, all right, dude, what do you want to do? So we manipulate below this, right? We below that. Are we gonna something like this? And took this, took this, took this. Oh, we haven't really taken that. So equal, this is gonna be equal highs at this point, probably. Okay. So, okay. Big SMT. I am taking this one for sure. Yeah. So look at this is an SMT that I'm looking at from here to here, right? I like this. And we're so close to this high. Like if this is a failed high, like that's even better. Even okay, if we break, let's see, if we break. No, even if we break this right now. Yeah, sorry. If it breaks, where is this? Where are we? Dude, where are you? Right here. From here. From here to here. Yeah, SMT right now. And big SMT right here. I like this. So this will be the last thing that I do, and then I'm out of here because So this is an IFBG. Ah, I like this. So we took Asia's lows, Asia's highs. You know what? Oh shoot. Sorry guys, I gotta take this call real quick. Dang. All right. Done. Um guys, today sucks and I don't want to trade anymore. Yeah, we took Asia high, Asia low. Also, I do like this color. I'm not gonna lie. I do like this color. I'm gonna keep it at 35. Oh, wait, why is this color different? Go 35, 35, and then background 15. I like this. Yeah, I like this. Save as unicorn. Boom. Guys, I love this. This is a sick color. Yep. So Asia, yeah. Huge SMT. Yeah, I like this. Okay, so this is X. Yeah. So using quarterly theory right now too has it gives you a sense of understanding what could come next, right? And instead of trying to, yeah, yeah. This, hmm. This is macro open. Yeah, today's not a good day. Yeah, no direction really. I'm also trying to use different strategies, right? So this is why I'm with like one contract right now. It's like different strategies to see how they work out. And when I say strategies, it's like, okay, for example, I'm trying to use SMTs as a as an entry in a higher time frame. We're in this 4 hour. We're in this. Is this a daily? Yeah. Here's a daily fair value gap. So fair value gap on the daily. And we said we had that opening gap here. The daily. This looks like a continuation, you guys. Yeah, this is a manipulation in the form of an SMT, right? So far, if this closes above, then that's if this closes above this, then we have no SMT at that point, right? So this is what we have here. I'm just gonna continue watching. Here we go. Is this our sort of is this where we want to go the opposite way? Is this what we're waiting for, right? To take out these all these lows here, right? Manipulate. Then a manipulation with an SMT higher to go lower, right? Because we did take out these lows here and here. So it's like a manipulation in a form, in like a, I want to call it a gentleman's manipulation, right? To go higher. Okay. Yeah, today's whatever. So I'm just gonna write down, okay, today. Cool. So I just wrote that today wasn't price wasn't moving in a clear way, and I give myself the ability to play with one micro to test different sort of entries with SMT using quarterly theory. Um, just because it's like, okay, yeah, we had this big run, so I wasn't expecting price to do much, but I'm still trying, right? I'm trying to figure out, okay, what works for me, what doesn't, and not necessarily changing my strategy. I'm still very much a market maker model. Like I look for these market maker models, right? And we had one here, right? This was an SMT, which there was nothing here, 1.5, right? This was, where was our SMT? Oh, wait. Yeah, this was it. Yeah, there is not much. Like it just doesn't look clean, you know? But right now, this is a market maker model failed, manipulate above, right? And now we're trying to figure out what do we want to see. And I think just trying to understand where we could be, right? It's not where we're at, but where we could be according to quarterly theory. And where we could be is we know we had displacement, right? AMD displacement. What comes next? X accumulation, or sorry, continuation or reversal. So we sort of continue a little bit higher here. Nothing crazy. Then what? We accumulate, right? Then this becomes, I guess this is our manipulation here, right? Manipulation, then distribution. So we can tell this is a manipulation right here, right? We manipulate below these with this, and we manipulate above this with this. So next comes distribution. Now we expect prices to go lower. And what was the rule for um shoot? What was the rule for quarterly theory? And this is where I'm putting it to test, right? If you want to go short, you buy above New York open, true open, which is 730. So we're above. We manipulated above. We're in a manipulation quarter, according to what price action has told us, right? Now, now we're looking for a distribution. Are we looking for distribution here or here? Now remember, overall, we're in an X quarter, which is either continuation or reversal. Now, because this could be a manipulation, go higher because we are in an X quarter. Okay, makes sense? It's like, shoot, I wish can I draw it? Hold on. I'm gonna try this. Mm, man, I can't. I don't know where it's at. What did I do with? Oh, it's in the car. Okay. All right. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna go to the car. Okay. Let's see if this works. Can I add? Let me see if I can add this. No, I can't. Okay. Great. Sick. Okay. Trying to figure this out. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna see if I can show you this. I wish I could share this. Can I share this? Maybe I can't share this. Hold on. All right. There it is. Can you see that? So this is what I like. This would be AMDX, right? So this is, and it could be quarters in a like yearly quarters, right? So 3 months, 3 months, 3 months, 3 months. It can be weekly quarters, which is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday it doesn't get used. Monthly quarters, which is 4 weeks, right? but it has to be full weeks. If it's partial weeks, you don't count it. Then you have daily, like inside of the day, you have, Asia, London, New York AM, New York PM. And it's just divided into quarters basically. So that's not the exact times. It's just, if you can think about it that way. Okay, so you have inside of these quarters. So even inside of a daily quarter time frame, you have quarters inside the daily, which are 90-minute intervals. I think that's what it is. I'll have to look it up, but I don't use those. So true open is 7:30. True day open is 12 midnight. So midnight opens here, right? That's your true open. 7:30, somewhere like right here. Um, so A could be accumulation. So right, okay, so each quarter can start with A or X. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, or continuation. Or continuation, reversal, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, right? So basically just move this one to the end and then scoot these over if it's X AMD. So if we see accumulation in this quarter, we can expect a manipulation move, right? When we expect a manipulation, we can expect a distribution and then a continuation or a reversal, right? Now, if we start with a reversal or continuation, then we can expect an accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Make sense? You can screenshot this if you want and use it or whatever. Okay, so here it is. Now we have, so if we look at quarters, right? If we look at this in sort of a quarterly theory, this is the day, we start the day here. So inside of the day, right? We have this, and this right now. So we've got these 3 quarters, and then we have the last one here that we haven't tapped into. So if we had distribution, right? We had, let me pull this up again. If we had distribution, right? If we had distribution here, we can expect what? X continuation or reversal, right? Well, that didn't, I don't think that happened here. Unless this is a continuation, right? Because it continued just above. Then what? A, accumulation. Okay, we accumulate here. Manipulation. We see manipulation moves both of these. And then what? What can we expect here? Some sort of distribution, maybe? So we haven't seen that yet, right? So we can expect the distribution if we're following quarterly theory. And also, it's important to keep New York open, right? So the New York open, 7:30 a.m. Right? Because if we're looking to short, if we're looking for this to go lower, then our goal is we want to buy above. Okay? If we were looking for a long distribution, then we would buy below New York. Now we have two sort of manipulation moves, right? That can take us to the upside and to the downside. There's no real, I don't know. I think because we haven't retraced and we haven't necessarily rebalanced this move. Yes, we're accumulating here, kind of just resting for a minute, but I would have really, oh, that's not it. I would like to see us come back to at least 23%. Right? We'll see. We'll see. I mean, there's again, we are in an so remember we are according to quarterly theory. Look, this is Monday, right? This is our weekly right here. This is our open from Sunday. So this is all Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So if we look at these in daily quarters, right? We have from here to here, right? And then we have from here to here, right? And then we have from here to here. And then we have this. It's just a mess. I know, I know. I know, I know, I know. So what do we, so clearly we have a distribution here, right? And if we have a distribution here, then is this manipulation? Yeah, it looks like we manipulated. We have manipulation below and above, sort of, unless there was no SMTs. But the manipulation move is also here. But the bigger picture here is distribution, right? Look, look, manipulation distribution inside of this daily distribution phase. Yeah, inside of this daily distribution, we have manipulation in this. So it makes sense. Okay. So distribution, manipulation, accumulation, we accumulate, right? All of this. And then what would you expect? We're in X right now. So we're in X, which means we are in a continuation or reversal. This is going to be where we might reverse, doesn't have to, or we continue higher, right? Right now, inside of the X quarterly theory, we are in a, we said manipulation, right? So inside of this this weekly X, we're inside of a manipulation looking for distribution coming up, right? Makes sense. So again, I'm just trying new things. I'm trying to see things in a different perspective. Honestly, this was a theory that I've heard about. I just never really cared for it, but it makes sense. Why would we have time down here and price? Clearly we look at price, and this is important, right? We're like, man, look at this price here, and like this level's getting respected. But what if we sort of look at time and be like, oh, look at the time, this time's been getting respected, right? Or this time has been doing this. I wish you could change your chart, like inverted sideways, so we can take a different look at. So what if we can grab our whole chart, right? And basically just move it, just like switch it, so it's like turn it over. So then price is down here, time is over here. That would be an interesting view. Yeah, quarterly theory. So again, not expecting much. Lias. I'm gonna continue testing this quarterly theory, right? Because we've like, let's take a look at this. Where's my, So if we look at quarterly theory, right, like this, and we move on to previous week, something like that, right? I think Sunday open. Oh, I can see it here. Sunday open to, what does this end? Thursday close. Something like this, right? So let's see. Let's see how this plays out. Oh, duh. Duh. Oh, come on, bro. This is okay. This is where I hate this. Okay. Okay. All right. So here's the. We can see the weekly right here. Right, and Friday is sort of a. Honestly, I need to look into Friday because IDK. But if we look at if we look at the days here, right? Clearly, this was our distribution on Monday or Tuesday, distribution day. So if we again, if we look at this here, if Tuesday was our distribution, right? Right here. Oh wait, hold on. Where are we? Yeah, Tuesday's distribution. So what follows distribution? X. Continuation or reversal, which we had a sort of a reversal, right? And then what? Accumulation. Okay, yeah. We accumulate here, all of this. No, I don't know what the frick this is, guys. Like, I need to look into Friday because I don't know what it does. I'm not sure. Friday does it. Friday looks like we had more distribution, right? So accumulation, I guess manipulate. This could be a manipulation, right? To manipulate like all of it. Manipulation, distribution, accumulation, continuation, reversal. That's interesting. All of it happened here. So inside of this day, we had accumulation. Where's our accumulation? No, this is distribution here. And X, continuation and reversal. So distribution, right? Manipulation, accumulation. and then coming into today. But this whole move, this was Friday. Okay. Yeah, there's honestly, there's nothing. Like, there's really nothing. Yeah. This yeah, today was just again X. What we can expect. Not much. Oh. Also, mm, sick. Let's look at this without anything. So yeah, nothing today. This was a fantastic move to the upside. Beautiful move. And not expecting much. Oh my gosh. Angles? That's insane. Alrighty. That's it. I'm done. There's the doom, the doom. So there it is. Okay. Distribution. Yeah. Yeah. Finished. Hmm. Oh my gosh. This is the I'm using this one, so I'm using this quarterly theory. This is these boxes. And then this one by 2 degrees. So this is by 2 degrees down here. This is the box by Waffle BTC or whatever. Anyways, that's it, you guys. Like nothing here. Yeah. All right. What a day. What a stupid day. I'm not expecting much at this point at all. Nothing here. Today was a. Actually, I'm glad. I'm glad because I was able to go in and try some stuff, right? Like, see how price reacted without much of risk for me to be like, oh no, right? Um, like using SMTs on a higher time frame and like just seeing just how price just plays out here in a second and see why it works, why it didn't work, even through the choppiness and stuff, and even using like right now using quarterly theory for me to figure out, okay, where are we, what stage of price action are we in, right? We said this was X, A, M, and then we're expecting D for the last probably for the PM session, right? Maybe this is where we can expect D if we are manipulating to the upside, right? Then we would buy stop loss and distribute lower because sorry, accumulation manipulation distribution X. Hmm. See, this is I'm trying to figure this out. Distribution X, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Yeah, distribution's next, right? And then we start out with X for the next day. We are in an X quarter of the day, like on a daily, or sorry, on a weekly, we're in the X quarter, right? So this could be a reversal or a continuation. So far, I haven't seen much of a continuation. I've seen more of manipulation in order to reverse, right? Or this is manipulation to continue, right? And then Friday brings a sort of its own set of rules, like we saw here, where Friday was accumulation, manipulation, distribution, continuation, back to manipulation, right? Accumulation here, accumulation, right? Manipulation, distribution, right? And then continuation. You see that? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, continuation into a reversal. So this is a reversal here. Then this is accumulation. No, this is a this could be a continuation. So this is what's the most obvious at this point? Let's see. I guess this would be distribution here, according to this. And then X. Accumulation. See, I'm still trying to figure this out. This even makes any sense, but so far it doesn't. Well, it does. I'm not gonna lie, it does. All right, that's it. It's 11:20. I am out of here. There's nothing here. There's nothing here. So have an awesome day. I will talk to you later. Peace. Boom.